Hello, this is Vic. In this video, I am going to write our first SQL query and I'll fetch the results from our CRUD database table. Display those results in this index.php file. First of all, I'll write a SQL query. Then with a query method, I'll fetch the results by using a loop, that is a for each loop. I'll display the results in index.php. First of all, I'll go to php and check the records in our CRUD database table. Here in PHP I am clicking on browse button. Here we have only one record and I'll add a few more records. I'll take the data from this website, that is a randomuser.me. Clicking on insert tab from PHP I'll insert some random details, name of the user, that is a first name and last name. Next, a email address. I'm copying and pasting all these details from this website. Last name, and I'm copying email address. And the gender, age, I'm entering a random age. I'm inserting one more record with some other details and just copying and pasting all these details from this website. If I reload this page, we'll get a new record. Again, pasting this name again and the email. I'll copy from here. And gender, female. Age, I'm entering a random age. If I click on this go button, these records will be inserted. You can see the total 3 records. Now I'll write a SQL query, select SQL query, $SQL equals to select star from CRUD, semicolon. Here I'll open a for each loop, and inside this for each loop I'll execute the query with the query method and I'll assign the results to a variable. This query method works only with a for each loop to fetch results. I'm updating the code as $db query SQL, assigning this to a row. I'll print the results with a print_r. Also, I am adding a pre tags to nicely display the results. Echo pre tag, opening and closing block. In between these pre tags, I'll print the result array. If I reload this page, we should see these records. Here you can see all these records. This array is a combination of associative array and a numeric array. We can display the values on this page based on a numeric array or associative array. Next, we'll see how we can get only numeric array or associative array from result set by just adding a fetch style. Here I'll show you by echoing values with a named array and a numeric array. Echo $row, first name. I'll concatenate it with a last name and I'll use a numeric array here, $row. The pocket number is 2 for last name. Also, I'll add a break tag so that we can see this output in a separate lines for all these names. I'm commenting this print_r and pre tags. If I reload this page, we should see the first name and last name in new lines. And I'll add a space in between this first name and last name. You can see this space now between names. It's working fine. Here I'm using both types of arrays. We'll learn more about getting specific results, either associative or numeric, in the next videos. The next video we'll see how we can display errors with easy to understand messages in PHP PDO. Here I'll show you an example by just updating with a wrong table name in our SQL query. If I reload this page, we are getting this message, invalid arguments applied for each. We don't know the exact issue what's happening. I'll add a few more lines of code to get exact error message that helps to resolve issue in next video.